Hi guys, happy Thursday. Alam nyo guys, what happened to me early morning today while I'm cooking ba. So nag ako guys, nag-blend ng ng tomatoes, and then the tomatoes explode to the grinder ba. Kasi nga ang yung grinder ng tomato is small. I use the small one. So, the tomato is very big. Pagka-grind niya, guys, punong is will become full and then explode. Ayan, nag-explode talaga sa mukha ko, guys, pati sa mga wall ng ng kitchen. Nangamoy tomatoes na yun. Kaya may konti. I will take shower like this. Oh my God. Amoy tomatoes ang yun eh. Tuloy, ang aga-aga ko very early morning, nag-face mask ako ng tomatoes. Explode to my face too much, and then, see my clothes now.